Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use Google Maps in Street View. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Google Maps. Then you should see a little diamond symbol in the top right hand side. You just want to click on there. Then you should see Street View in the bottom left. So just click on there to highlight it and close this off. And if you zoom in, you can just click on any street you want. Once you've tapped on it, it'll bring up half the map and half a street view. So all you need to do is just click on these arrows, just have a look along the street if you want to do that. You can obviously drag your finger around as well to have a look wherever you want on the picture as well. And again on this map as well, you can press on different locations and it'll take you straight there to wherever you want to have a look at. And you can also press this arrow on the right hand side in the middle, and that'll take you up to a full screen view as well. And if you want to do so, obviously just tap along the arrows to look at different streets and different places. And you can also see at the bottom it says see more dates, so you can click on that. And this will just show you what it looked like maybe a few years ago, 10 years ago, if you want to see that street at that time. So that's how you can use Google Maps Street View. Thanks for watching.